Hi and welcome everyone. Today we're diving into how you can integrate Omnisend with your Ecwid store. If you're looking to enhance your e-commerce marketing with powerful email and SMS campaigns, you're in the right place. Let's break down the steps to connect Omnisend with Ecwid and get your marketing automation up and running. Integrating Omnisend with Ecwid is straightforward, enabling you to sync your store data with Omnisend's comprehensive marketing tools quickly. Let's walk through the process so you can start leveraging these capabilities without delay. Step 1. Log into your Omnisend account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account first. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and find the Integrations tab. Step 2. In the Integrations section, look for Ecwid among the available options. You'll see a Connect button next to it. Click on this button to initiate the integration process. Step 3. You will be asked to enter the URL of your Ecwid store. Enter the URL, then proceed by clicking Connect. This will redirect you to a login page for your Ecwid account. Step 4. Log in to your Ecwid account. After logging in, you will need to authorize Omnisend to access your Ecwid store data. This access allows Omnisend to import necessary information like customer details, transaction history, and product data, which is essential for creating targeted marketing campaigns. Step 5. Once you grant the necessary permissions, Omnisend will begin syncing with your Ecwid store. This might take a few minutes, depending on the volume of data in your store. Step 6. After the integration is complete, you're all set. Your Omnisend account is now connected to your Ecwid store, and you can start using all of Omnisend's features to enhance your marketing strategies. From automated email sequences to personalized SMS alerts, you can manage it all through Omnisend. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Omnisend with your Ecwid store. With this setup, you can fully utilize Omnisend to drive more engagement and increase sales through targeted, automated marketing efforts. If you're ready to enhance your Ecwid store with Omnisend, check out the link in the description below for more details and a special offer on your Omnisend subscription. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Got any questions or need further assistance with your integration? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.